outside. Very nice, very nice. What the heck?
Woo! I am the genie! Yeah!
I'll grant you 3 wishes, little boy.
Yeah! I want a teleporting chair! For my next ability, I would like to be able to jump off cliffs and live! Ouch! That hurt! Hey, I'm still alive. Ding! For my last wish, I want milk. Really bad. Ding! Really bad!
Hey, this is Pedro, our stunt double for Jacob and everyone else. He does some pretty intense stuff, so he gets paid extra. I mean, look at his chest. So, do you like your job, Pedro?
Oh, yes!
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby.